History Akbar. Akbar the Great was the third and arguably greatest Mughal emperor, expanding the empire across the Indian subcontinent through military strength and shrewd diplomacy. Born in 1542, he took the throne at age 13 under Regent Bairam Khan, known of religious tolerance and culture patronage. He introduced the Sulahi Kul policy, born on October 1542 in Umarkot, Sindh, to Mughal Emperor Humayun and Hamida Binu Begum. Raised in a period of exile and struggle as his father had lost the empire to Sher Shah Suri, ascended the throne in 1556 at the age of 13. Following his father's sudden death, under the guidance of Bairam Khan, he secured his position at the Second Battle of Panipat against Himu. He brought most of the Indian subcontinent under his control, developed a highly organized central government, introduced the Mansabdari system for military and civil administration, and reformed tax collection, improved upon gunpowder technologies, muskets, and used camels, elephants for warfare. Although illiterate, he held a great interest in technology, inviting scholars of all faiths, Hindus, Christians, Parsis, and Muslims, for discussions, abolished the discriminatory jizya tax on non-Muslims, and pilgrimage taxes on Hindus, married Rajput princesses such as Jodhabai, cementing alliances with the powerful Hindu Rajput warriors. তোমরা সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দিও।